The psychology of dopamine entrapment. Today we are talking about why human beings can get trapped chasing small hits of stimulation. This is called dopamine entrapment. Dopamine is a natural chemical in the brain that motivates action. It is not pleasure itself. It is the energy that pushes you to go after something that might feel rewarding. Back in 1954, two neuroscientists, James Olds and Peter Milner, tested this in animals. They discovered that when the reward part of the brain was stimulated, the animal would keep chasing it over and over, even when nothing valuable was happening. This showed that the brain can get stuck in seeking mode. In the 1990s, neurophysiologist Wolfram Schultz found that dopamine rises the moment the brain expects something good to happen. That anticipation is sometimes stronger than the reward itself. Effective neuroscientists Kent Berridge and Terry Robinson later explained why this is dangerous. They found that dopamine fuels wanting, not liking. You can want something you no longer enjoy. Endless scrolling is the perfect real-life example. It does not feel good anymore, but you still reach for the phone. Behavioral psychologist B.F. Skinner studied how habits form. He proved that unpredictable rewards are the most addictive. You do not know when the reward is coming, so your brain keeps checking. Cultural anthropologist Natasha Dow-Schull showed how casinos use this design to trap players. Today's social platforms, notifications, and online trading systems use that same mechanism. Affective neuroscientist Jaak Panksepp mapped the brain's natural seeking system. This system is useful because it makes us curious and ambitious. But neuropsychopharmacologist George Koob and neuroscientist Nora Volkow show that when this system is overstimulated, the brain shifts from curiosity to compulsion. This is how addiction patterns begin even without drugs. Just triggers, just anticipation. How this trap works in daily life. You see a notification, dopamine rises slightly. You check. Sometimes there is something exciting, sometimes there is nothing. That uncertainty trains the brain. Eventually you check because your brain expects the possibility of something. You are driven by the chase, not the content. How to break the loop. Identify the exact cue that starts the checking behavior. Check in scheduled blocks so the brain cannot predict reward timing. Replace the automatic action with one small physical break, like standing up or stretching before touching the phone. Dopamine is not the enemy. It becomes a trap when external triggers control your attention and you respond without choosing. Awareness is the moment you take your attention back.